Good morning, students. Now we can continue the exercise questions 14a, page number 231. We wrote 1 to 4 questions last class. Today we are discussing 5th question. Question number 5. Question is, a metal plate measuring 32 centimeter by 12 centimeter is cut up into small squares of side length 4 centimeter. How many squares will be cut? That is a metal sheet. One sheet of metal is there. One metallic sheet. That sheet of measuring 32 centimeter and 12 centimeter. 32 will be its length and 12 will be its breadth. Then question is, we are cutting small squares. Small squares we are cutting from this. Small squares. These squares side length is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. It is a square, so 4 sides are equal. 4 centimeter each. So how many squares we can cut from this? Okay. So how to do? We have to find the area of the rectangle first, then area of the square. Then each area, when we are dividing, we are getting how many squares we can cut from this. Okay. So first we can find area of the rectangle. What is the equation to find area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. That length is 32 and breadth is 12. Then you will get one answer. You can multiply 32 and 12. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3, 4, 8, 3. 384. So 384 centimeter square is the area of the rectangle. Then what is the area of this small square? Small square of length 4 centimeter. So area of the square is equal to side into side. One side is 4. 4 into 4 is 16 centimeter square. Clear? Area of the rectangle find first, then area of the square find. Then after that, how many number of squares you can cut through this? That is area of the rectangle divided by area of the square. 384 divided by 16. So 384 divided by 16. 16 2s are 32. 64. 16 4s are 64. So 24 number of squares we can cut using this rectangle metallic sheet. You can cut 24 number of squares. Okay. Then next, sixth question. Which of the following has larger area and by how much? Measures are given. It is sixth question. It is one rectangle. Rectangle is given of measure 24 centimeter and 17. 24 and 17. A square of side 21. Square 21 side. All are in centimeter. So, which of the following has larger area and by how much? How much larger it is? What is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle, you know how to find. Length into breadth, right? So, 24 into 17, find out, multiply, you will get one answer. Then find area of a square. Area of a square is side into side, very easy, no? Then 21 is each side, 21 into 21, how much? Then compare which one is greater. Then we can say that figure has the larger area. By how much means subtract and find out how much more it is. Which one is larger and how much more. Subtract these two answers, you will get how much more it is. Okay. Then seventh question. The area of a rectangular field is 0.5 hectare. If one side is 12.5 meter Find the other side in meters. Area of the rectangle field is, one rectangular field, it is 0.5 hectare. 0.5 hectare, 1 hectare is, 1 hectare how much? Is dash meter square is 1 hectare. Studied last class. 10,000 meter square. So 0.5 into 10,000. So 5,000 meter square. You will get the area of the rectangle is 5,000 meter square. Okay. Next, if one side is 12.5, find the other side in meters. One side is 12.5. One side is 12.5. We don't know length or breadth. If anything, length we have to find out means area divided by breadth. Breadth we have to find out means area divided by length. So, division only possible. 5,000 divided by 12.5. Divide it, then you will get it is in meter square by meter. Answer will be in meter. Okay, that time you will get the answer. Decimal number how to divide? Remove in the decimal point, you have to multiply 10. So, it will become 50,000 divided by 125. Okay, divide it and write in meter. Next question number 8. A rectangular piece of plastic sheet measure 1 meter 70 centimeter. A rectangular piece of plastic sheet. One plastic sheet is here, rectangle shape. It's 1 meter 70 centimeter. 1 meter 70 centimeter its length. Find the cost at the rate of rupees 80 per square meter. A rectangular piece of plastic sheet measures 1 meter by 70 centimeter. Sorry, 1 meter by 70. 1 meter is length and 70 centimeter is breadth. Okay. We have to find the cost at the rate of rupees 80 per square meter. We have to find out the area of this rectangle. Length is given, breadth is given. Length is in meter, breadth is in centimeter. So we can write it. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is 100 into 70. Total is 7,000 centimeter square. Per square meter. Cost is rupees 80 per square meter. Meter you have to write. So, this 1 meter, this 70 centimeter you have to convert in meter means 0.7 meter. Okay. Then 1 into 0.7. 0.7 is 1 into 0.7, that means 0.7 meter square. Per meter rupees is 80. So, cost is equal to 0.7 into 80. 8 sevens are 56. A7 into 80, 560. Then put 1 0, it is 56. So, cost is 56 rupees. Okay. Because it is 0.7, 1 meter also not there. 0.7 is only there. So, 80 rupees will not come. Answer will be 56 rupees. Understood? Next, 9th question. The length and breadth of a playground are 80 meter and 35 meter respectively. There is a playground. It is in rectangular shape because measures are given 80 meter and 35 meter. They are not equal. So, we can say that it is a rectangle. 80 meter and 35 meter respectively. Find the cost of leveling it at rupees 450 per square meter. Per square meter. So, we have to calculate the area. Length into breadth. That is 80 into 35. We will get one answer in meter square. Okay. Find the cost of leveling it at rupees 4. So, cost we can find out. This area, how much you are getting that number into cost is 4.50. this area into 4.50, that much rupees you will get. Cost. How long will a boy take to go 3 times round the field? If he walks at a rate of 1.5 meter per second. How long will a boy take to go 3 times around? One boy is walking throughout the ground at the boundary. 3 times he is walking. So one time walking means it is the perimeter of the ground. One time walking around the ground. That means it is the perimeter. So this boy is walking 3 times. So we have to first find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into 80 plus 35. That is 2 into 150. 90, 100, 110, 50. That is 230. 230 meter is the perimeter. But this boy is walking 3 times the ground. So total perimeter is 3 into 230. That is 0, 3, 3, 7, 690 meter. The total distance the boy travelled. Distance travelled by the boy is equal to 3 times he round. That is 3 into 230. That is equal to 690. Okay. Then time taken by the boy. How much time taken? Time taken by the boy. That is 690 is the total distance divided by 1.5. When dividing by decimal number, numerator and denominator, multiply by 10 because denominator to become a whole number 6900. 6900 divided by 15, that is equal to 460. Then we have to convert in minute and second. How to convert this hours in minute and second? This much second we have to convert. That is 460 dividing by, if it is 60 second coming means we can calculate as a 1 minute. So 6 dividing by 60, 7 6 are 42, 420, then 40 minute we can write as 7 minute and 40 second. This is the total in second. We can convert into 7 minute to 40 second. Okay.